Hi, my name is Ed Combs, and I'll be your professor for Business 16, Personal Insurance. Please call me Ed. I really look forward to working with each of you. My number one goal is to provide some familiarity with the insurance decisions that life in our world will throw at you. I also hope to get at least one of you interested in insurance as a career. Now a little bit about me. I was born and grew up in the DC area. Yeah, I finally got that picture to show up. All of my education was on the East Coast. In addition to my family, I have three passions. The first is hiking, and much of that is done in our beautiful Santa Monica Mountains. The second's baseball, and boy, 2020 is a pretty tough year for that. And the third are spy novels. John le Carré is my favorite author, but just about any spy novel will do. My work career is all in the insurance field and spans more than 4 decades. It began when Jimmy Carter was president, and I'm still enjoying myself working in an insurtech startup. 7 years ago, the chairperson of the business department took a chance on me, and I'm still grateful, mostly for the opportunity to meet and work with students like you. So let's get at it and look forward to working with you.